Next attribute is a text color. In the previous part we learned about background as a color and background as an image. Now next is a text color on a web page. For that, text color attribute is used. We can define a text color with attribute text along with the body tag. Here for that we use a body text is equal to an inverted comma has FF0000, which is the hexadecimal value of any color. Here this value is indicate a red color. Instead of this hexadecimal value we can use as a red. The set text color as a red. Suppose you want to set a background color as a pink and text color as a yellow, both in a same body tag, background color as a pink and text color as a yellow. You can use a single instruction as follows. First, body bg color is equal to in an inverted comma has FF00FF, which indicate a pink color, and text is equal to in inverted comma has FF00, which indicate a simple yellow color. Next is a horizontal line. HR element display a horizontal line across the page. Horizontal tag is same as a break tag, means it is an empty tag, so closing tag is not needed for that tag. It is an empty element. This is used to separate a content by breaking into a section. It used to breaking into a sections. It is the examples of horizontal line. First, HTML tag. Next tag is a head tag. Within a head tag, title tag is required. So in a title tag, about rainbow, end of title tag, end of head tag and start of body tag. Now HR tag is used to break a section into various parts. So this line 2 times of HR tag. If we give a 2 HR tag, then 2 line display on a web page. If give a 1 line, then 1 line display on our web page. So this line is broken in 3 parts. Between these lines there are a line, horizontal line across them. This line is broken in, there are 2 lines between these 2 sentences because we use a 2 HR tag. Next is the font tag. The font tag is used to set a specific font and size. If we want to give a same font color on a whole web page, then we use a text attribute in a body tag. But when we want to give a text color on a particular sentence, then color attribute is used on a font tag. So for that we require a font tag. The font tag is used to set a specific font and size. First take a p tag, next font. Here size equal to 3. This is the size of our font. Next is a color is equal to inverted comma red, which indicate a font color for a particular sentence. This is some text, end of font, end of p. So the style of font size and color is closed in here. Next is a p tag. Again give a size of font is a 2. Color is equal to blue. This is some text, end of font, end of p. Next p font face is equal to Verdana. Color green. This is some text, end of font, end of p. These attributes are a size and color, which specify the size of content and color of content. And font face defines the font type. Like we know about the various type of font type like Arial, Times New Roman, etc. So font face is equal to, you can take any font type like Times New Roman. Here it is the example of font type. First of all, doc type HTML. Next is the HTML tag. Next body tag. Here H1. Between H1 take the font element which indicate the heading of our web page. We know about there are 6 types of heading available on HTML, H1 to H6. Here next is a p tag. Font size equal to 3, color red. This is some text and end of font, end of p. So for the first sentence, this is some text. The color indicate as a red text color or size of that font is a 3. For same as this is some text for a second sentence, size 2 and color blue. In the last line here, this is the p, strong, end of strong. Between a strong tag there is a word not, so which indicated the highlighted word. Not for highlight any word we use a strong tag, start of strong and end of strong. The font element is not supported in HTML5. Use CSS instead. End of P. It is a simple sentence. See, this is the output of the above code. First, in a heading tag we give the font element. So the font element is our web page heading. Second, this is some text. We give a font size 3 and color red. So it display as a font size 3 and color as a red. For a second line, font size is a 2 and color as a blue. Same as this is some text. Here the style of the font can be a changed and the color is a green. Next, not it is the highlighted word because we use a strong tag. Okay. Now take an example. Go to your Notepad code. Open a new file. Okay. Now to give a background color as a red, for that we use, first of all we take a doc type which indicate the HTML version. Next code is an HTML code. Okay, next is a head tag. Within a head tag we use a title tag. So for that take a title tag. Now give a title of our web page. Suppose our title is my school and end of title tag. Now end of head tag, start a body tag. Okay, if we want to give a red as a background color, then we use body bg color is equal to red and end of tag. Okay, next take a sentence for P. Welcome to our school and end of P tag. Now end of body tag and at last end of HTML tag. Okay, this code simply gives an background color as a red and simple represent a line welcome to our school on your web page. So for that, save a file, save as, go to your folder, choose your path, give a name. Suppose we give a name as a my school, or extension of our file is .html because for saving a HTML file give extension as a .html. Go to save. Now for run the file, go to your folder. Now for my school, click a right, open with Google Chrome. Okay, here it is the output of our code. Welcome to our school, which indicate a sentence, or this is the background color as a red. Now again go to your code. Simply bg color is equal to red. Here we want to give a font color for whole web page, then we use text is equal to white. So for that, for whole sentence, whole web page, the text color indicate as a white and background color as a red. Again take another sentence. My school name is Ultra Vision and of B Tech. Okay, Control plus S for save the file. Again go to and refresh it. See, the background color as a red. Added one sentence, my school name is Ultra Vision, or both the sentence font color is changed as a white color. So for that we give a text is equal to white. Now for a horizontal, now give a horizontal line to our web page to break the section. So for that we use a HR tag. It is an empty tag, so no closing tag is required. For that take a HR tag. Now write a sentence. Okay, now we want to give a two line between our two sentence, then we use two time of horizontal tag. Again HR tag. If we want three line, then we use a three time of horizontal tag. Now again take a HR tag. Okay, so for that, Ctrl plus S, go to your Google Chrome and refresh it. See, this line, above this line there are HR horizontal line, because we give a HR tag between our before our sentence. This line is broken in, so between two sentences there are two horizontal line, because we give a two time of horizontal tag, and at last there is a one horizontal line. Same as if we want some another line, then we use HR tag again. Okay, now again Ctrl plus S. So at last there are three lines are needed. Refresh it. See, there are three lines at the end, because we give a three time of horizontal tag. Now, okay, as a text color white for a particular or for a whole web page, if we want to give a same font color on a whole web page, then we use a text attribute and a body tag. But now if we want to give a text color for a particular sentence, like this one, for my school name is Ultravision, we want to this line in a black font, then we use as a P here font. Now we want to give a font size as a 3, then font size is equal to, in an inverted comma, give a 3. Now next we want to give a color to a particular sentence, then we use color, COLOR, color is equal to black. Now first of all, this my school name is Ultravision. Here close the font tag and last close the P tag. Ctrl plus S. Refresh it. See, second sentence of our web page, my school name is Ultravision, is changed in a black color, or font size is changed to a 3. So my school name is Ultravision changed with color and size. See, same as for this sentence, we use again font color, font size equal to 5, given a color end of, at last end of font tag. Ctrl plus S and refresh it. See, welcome to our school, font size is changed as a 5 and font color to a black. So this is the code for set a background color as a red, give a font color for a whole document or a whole web page, for a particular sentence change the font size, and horizontal line between